Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to understand how to send an automated WhatsApp message to Kit subscriber using WhatsApp Cloud API. So I run a business where I receive new subscribers in my Kit account through a sign-up form. So now here my objective is that whenever I receive a new subscriber in my Kit account, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message with a special offer should be sent to that subscriber on his or her WhatsApp number. So here to automate this entire process, I need to connect my Kit account with my WhatsApp Cloud API account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in my business, I want to welcome new subscribers to our kit with a special offer and make a great first impression. So manually reaching out to each new subscriber would be time consuming. So I use WhatsApp Cloud API to send an automated welcome message to all my new subscribers. This way, whenever someone fills out the form and subscribes to my kit account, then automatically they receive a personalized message with an exclusive discount or special offer as thank you for joining. It's an easy and efficient way to make new subscribers feel valued, encourage them to explore our products, and hopefully make their first purchase with us. So here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Kit account with my WhatsApp Cloud API using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner, and now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send automated WhatsApp message to Kit subscribers using WhatsApp Cloud API. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Kit because I'm receiving new subscribers in my Kit account. So Kit is an email marketing platform tailored for creators like bloggers, podcasters, and small businesses, and it helps users grow their audience by making it easy to send personalized emails, build campaigns, and automate follow-ups. People use Kit because it offers a simple and effective way to engage with subscribers, creating landing pages and track the success of their email marketing. Whether you're looking to promote content, products, or services, Kit helps streamline the process and boost your audience connection. And now here in my Kit trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new subscriber, so that whenever I'm going to receive new subscriber in my Kit account, then automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response, or you can say then automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here to connect my Kit with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Kit account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API key and the API secret. So here following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Kit account. And from here in my Kit account, I'm going to click on my profile icon. And from here, I'm going to click on the settings. Now here under settings, I'm going to scroll it little down, and from here I'm going to click on this developer option given over here. And here under developer, you can see we have received the API keys, where we have received the API key and the API secret. So now I'm going to copy both of the API keys and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here, after successfully entering both the required details, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected to our Kit account. So now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see as it is waiting for response. That means here to receive a response, we need to create a new subscriber in our Kit account. So here to generate a test subscriber in our Kit account, let me take you to my Kit form. So this is the form through which I am receiving new subscribers. And now here I'm going to enter some dummy data and create a subscriber in my Kit account. So here I'm going to enter the first name as demo, last name as user, email as demo123@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to enter random phone number. And then I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see success. Now check your email to confirm your subscription. So here I've already confirmed the subscription of my subscribers. So now let's go and check our Kit account first. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the name as demo and the email as demo123@pabblytudes.com. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received response over here, where we have received the subscriber state, ID, first name as demo. Here you can see the phone number, last name as user, and email as demo123@pabblytudes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new subscriber in our Kit account, I want to send an automated WhatsApp message with an offer to this new subscriber as a welcoming message. So for that, here in this action step, I need to select my action application as WhatsApp Cloud API, as I am sending an automated WhatsApp message to my subscriber using WhatsApp Cloud API. So WhatsApp Cloud API is a tool that allows businesses to connect with their customers via WhatsApp through the cloud. It makes it easy for companies to send messages, notifications, and updates directly to their customers' WhatsApp accounts. People use it because it simplifies customer communication by integrating WhatsApp into their existing systems, making it possible to manage customer interactions at scale, whether for customer support, sending order updates, or marketing promotions. The WhatsApp Cloud API helps business stay connected with their audience efficiently. So here in my WhatsApp Cloud API action step, I'm going to select my action event as send template message, so that whenever I'm going to receive new subscriber in my Kit account, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message with an offer is going to send to our subscriber using template message through WhatsApp Cloud API. And now here to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your WhatsApp Cloud API account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And to learn how to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account step by step, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account step by step. So here to perform this automation, I have already set up a temporary WhatsApp Cloud API account using Meta for Developers. So let me take you there. And here in Meta for Developers, you can see I have temporarily set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account. And here you can see we have received the option for access token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So here we are going to generate the access token by clicking on this generate access token given over here. Here I'm going to connect my account. And here you can see we have received the access token. So now I'm going to copy all these details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the template name. So here to get this particular template name, which I'm going to use to send this automated WhatsApp message, let me take you back to my Cloud API setup. So this is my WhatsApp Cloud API setup, and here in step 2, you can see it says to create your own message template, click here. So I'm going to click it over here. And here under message templates, you can see all the templates which I have created for my use till now. So here, if you want to learn how to create your own message template, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel for the same. So here in this case, I'm going to use my template which is named as subscriber offer. So I'm going to open it for you. And here you can see the message which I have drafted, which says, "Hello one, thanks for being a part of our community. We are excited to share something special with you as a subscriber. Limited time offer, get 20% off on your next purchase from our exclusive collection. Simply use the code WELCOME20 at checkout. This offer is only available for a limited time, so don't miss out. Feel free to reply if you have any questions. We are here to help. Happy exploring, ABC come." So this is the message which I've drafted, and here you can see I've used a variable in the place of name over here. So here I've used variable because I want whenever I'm going to receive a new subscriber in my Kit account, then automatically this previously existing subscriber name should be updated with the new one. Variables makes a text dynamic, and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So this is my message template, and now let me take you back to my Pabbly's workflow. So here for my template name, I'm going to select my template name as subscriber offer, and now here after selecting the template name, then automatically this language code and selected template ID will be updated. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to enter the recipient mobile number. So here in this recipient mobile number field, I need to enter the phone number to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. So here instead of entering the number manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new subscriber in a Kit account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the phone number. So this is my lead's phone number, and then here it is asking me to enter the body field 1. So here in this body field 1, I need to map the value for my variable. So here I've already shown you that I have used a single variable in my template, and that is for the name over here. So here I need to map my lead's name. So here I'm going to map my lead's name, and now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message. So here I've successfully entered my number, and now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to our number. So now let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a successful WhatsApp message where we have received the message as, "Hello demo, thanks for being a part of our community. We are excited to share something special with you as a subscriber. Limited time offer, get 20% off on your next purchase from our exclusive collection. Simply use the code WELCOME20 at the checkout. This offer is only available for a limited time, so don't miss out. Feel free to reply if you have any questions. We are here to help. Happy exploring, ABC Company." So this is an automated WhatsApp message that our new subscribers are going to receive on their WhatsApp number. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Kit and our action as WhatsApp Cloud API. So that whenever we're going to receive new subscriber in our Kit account, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message is going to send to that subscriber with a special offer using a template through WhatsApp Cloud API. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send an automated WhatsApp message to Kit subscribers using WhatsApp Cloud API. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.